This is everything you need to inspire you to use your deck differently. Hi, I'm Sharon. Surprisingly, decks have a wide range of functionality, some you may not have thought of. Now let's get into it. When it comes to deck usage, one of the most popular and enjoyable activities is entertaining family and friends. To ensure your deck is ready for day to night hostings, set up an outdoor setting like this one. With this simple setup, your deck transforms into the perfect spot for making memories. Turn your deck into a barbecue and outdoor kitchen area. Set up your barbecue, prep area, sink and fridge, as this will allow you to cook outside. Australia's climate makes it suitable for outdoor living. Setting up a lounge like this one allows you to use it all year round. Adding pots and lighting will add ambience to the space and allow you to enjoy it into the evening. A deck isn't just a place to relax, it's also a great space to exercise. Roll out your mat, embrace the fresh air, and let nature be your backdrop. If yoga's not your thing, don't worry. You can use your deck for other hobbies like arts and crafts or meditation. And last but not least, picture your deck as a prime location for a night of stargazing. Gather some cozy blankets, candles, lie back and be captivated by the breathtaking beauty of the night sky. This tranquil and awe-inspiring experience can be enjoyed in the comfort of your own backyard. And there you have it, different ways to use your deck, no matter the time of the year. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.